Direct replacement. This 4WD switch is made to match the fit and function of the original switch on specific vehicle applications. Ideal solution. This switch is a reliable replacement for an original part that has failed due to fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This 4WD switch is designed to match the appearance and function of the original switch on specified applications. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance and durability. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Fix my 4x4 problem. If your 4x4 lights aren't lighting up to show if you're in 2 or 4-wheel drive, the 4-wheel will not engage, so replace the switch, and if the lights come back on, your 4x4 should start working again.